All right. Well, last part of the video. It is actually a lot longer than I thought it was going to be. So, the biggest problem, at least with the racing adapter, because this is from the Mach 7.5. I'm sure same as the Mach 7, but the adapter is definitely smaller in diameter on the Mach 7, where the shift lever seems to be just a little bit larger. So there a lot more force was required to get the adapter down. Not easily. So there was a little bit of like rubber mallet action. Nothing that damaged anything, but take your time, slow, taps down to get to where you needed to. So what's happening is where it stopped, as far as hand force goes, it was more like here, and you go to shift, and the whole boot would be like whoop with it. So no good way to remove the shift boot itself from the stock one. You're going to end up damaging either this leather or the stock knobs, what attaches basically the material to it. I don't think there's any other way around it. Nothing that was obvious. I tried to, slow prise off the little piece that held this onto the stock one. It just broke immediately. There was, nothing. But anyway, this is great. Does all its things. I love this shift knob. This is fantastic. Racing makes some really fantastic products. This works for me. Any questions, feel free to, text me. Text me, message me on YouTube, and I will help you through the install process if you need any assistance. It's fairly straightforward, though. Have a great day, guys.